What's going on? We're getting another death snow. That's how tall it is. Let's see. Yeah, you can barely see that road back there. It's right here. Visibility ain't great. Bet you if you was driving real fast and slammed on the brakes real hard, I bet you wouldn't stop that great neither. If you're from Michigan and you're used to driving in the snow, you know you never slam on the brakes. Pump the brakes. Remember that. Anytime you're on snow, remember. Or even less train with less traction. Never slam on the brakes. You slam on the brakes, you're gonna spin out. If you pump the brakes, chances are you'll stop and you won't spin out. But I don't know, I guess certain cars have a tendency to hydroplane when you pump the brakes too, so you gotta be careful with that. It's an art. It's an art form.